Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Black Sun Shadow. Just checking in. Gonna be doing some dash cam commentary, adventures in dash cam. This will be number 3. I'm trying to do this and get better at this. You know, it takes work. I've been going through some struggles, but I haven't really had a lot of experience doing working the OBS and all that. And I know I'll get to it. It's just how it is. So just to reiterate again, I am currently driving a gas truck. I mean, not currently now, but I'm employed with a company that delivers gasoline, and I've been doing that for about 12 years. 6 years with the current company, and just several other companies in the past. Just trying to climb up that ladder, the hourly wage ladder, really. Finding a home, and I think I found my place, but we'll see. Time does tell, right? And in this industry, companies are a dime a dozen, and so are drivers. But yeah, so like I said, I'm going to be providing some commentary here. I'm going to try and give my professional opinion on what I see here. I haven't really reviewed any of these videos. I just they look kind of cool from their thumbnails, and they're several minutes long. Some they're like an hour, so I'll try and go through some of them and give you some decent content and try and give my professional commentary on this. If you guys have any questions, or even suggestions to make things better, questions regarding the videos, and driving and all that is cool too. You could critique me. I don't care. I mean, I appreciate it. That's fine. It's a critique. Even if you say I suck, but I probably do. So, and I will for a little while until I get a little better, and that's cool. Not a big deal. But I'm not shy from getting commentary. So if you feel like it, if you like this video, give it a like, give me a comment, whatever, man. Say hi. If you're a trucker, cool, man. Show me, tell me what you do, where you're from, and how long you've been trucking. So yeah, all right, let's get to it, guys. Let's see what we got in store for us. uh, okay, this is here. 2 adults and 1 child in this SUV were transported to the hospital with suspected minor to moderate injuries. Oh, apparently this person has run from the CHP several times this month and gotten away. 18-year-old male Mustang driver was booked in jail for multiple felony charges. Let's see, will they show? Oh! Damn. Oh, so he's running from the cops right now. Man, he's doing 100. High speed pursuit. Yeah, 100, 120 miles an hour. Oh, he clipped the wall. Dang. And here's what I read earlier. That's pretty crazy, guys. What in the world is going on there? Is he getting away from the cops or something? Maybe. If you're in the freeway, if you're on the freeway and there's a car chase and someone's doing that, going 100 and 120 miles an hour, I mean, dude, you can't even see that coming. I mean, always try and be in your mirrors. I mean, we're all guilty of being complacent and just start zoning off. You're just looking at the car in front of you. You're looking at, 45 degrees or whatever that is, field of vision. 45 degrees. My dog does not agree with me. So 180, 120, 100. Yeah. Well, the field of vision is like we just keep it like that in front of us, and you need to be looking in your mirrors, rear view, side view. But even still, if you got somebody that's doing 100 and something miles an hour in front of you or behind you, you're not gonna see it coming. It's gonna be like, I think I see a blip in the back. You may not even see that because it's coming so fast. If you're like doing 60 miles an hour, yeah, you're not gonna see it coming. You're gonna like just. I mean, think about all the times you had a motorcycle pass you by at like lightning speed. It's like you don't even see it coming, and you barely like even. Oh, you'll hear it pass you, but even as it's revving and it's coming past you, like hauling ass, you're not gonna see it past you, or come up on you. Yeah, that's scary. That scares me all the time. But maybe I'm getting desensitized also because I feel like, well, I missed it. I guess it would have killed me. So let's see here. Another, well, proper use of a median and an off-road vehicle. That's cool. Oh, he's gonna try and run. Oh, the best of California drivers, right? Yeah. This isn't just California though. This happens everywhere, right? Moss Landing, Highway One, West Coast on the coastline. Ooh, what happened there? Whoa, dang. You can't avoid that kind of stuff, man, because it's a two lane highway. My wife despises those two lane highways, and I understand because stuff like that happens. I mean, someone loses control, and they just end up on you. Oh, what happened there? Oh, some van hit him. Looks like rear-ended him. Oh yeah, forced that guy out of control. Bam. So that van must have been speeding, and there must have been a quick slowdown, and he just nailed him. Yeah, van was definitely. I mean, yeah, it is our opinion, but it's most likely the case. What's this guy doing? Illegal U-turn. And nailed the freaking. What is that? Like a gas line? Can we zoom in on that, guys? I don't think so. I don't want to enlarge it because then it's going to mess up my whole thing here. But I don't. Well, that one across the street has it. Maybe it's just a parking barrier thing to keep people from rolling in front of houses. I guess it worked. But honestly, it almost looks like I can't tell if that's yellow or orange on top, or if it's just because the sunset hitting it. It could just be all white. Uh, but sometimes there's gas lines running through neighborhoods, or usually it's on the outskirts of neighborhoods. I've never seen one in a neighborhood, but this might be a special case. I don't know where this is in California, but dang, if that dude would have ruptured that would have sucked. If it was a like a gas line marker, I doubt there's any gas running in those pipes. They're just markers. But still, let's see what this one is here. It's cruising along. Oh, wasn't paying attention. Yeah. Uh, Stop. See a stop sign. Oh, yeah. So is this guy offloading? Is that like a neighborhood? What is that? Let's go back. Oh yeah, it looks like a shopping center. And man, it's probably the best way. I think I should have had some cones out. He didn't have any cones out. Not that cones do anything to save your life. It's just yeah, it looks like a business right here. Uh, yeah, that guy could have had some cones out. Like if I had enough cones, I would have made like a triangle or a chevron or whatever, an arrow pointing out towards traffic, so that it's one in the middle on the top, and then it spreads out, so they would at least see that there's something going on up there. I'm not saying it's the delivery guy's fault, but